Today we are in Norton Fitzwarren's Millhouse Row to see a 2-bedroom apartment. We are on the first floor. It has 2 really good sized double bedrooms, a nice spacious hallway, lovely bathroom, lovely kitchen. The views for me are great. You've got the train tracks along the way, but feels for miles behind that as well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to book a viewing of this property or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch. Hope to speak to you soon. Thank you very much.